Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now let us quickly solve this simple math problem. Okay, it's a coordinate geometry problem. Now we're asked to find the equation of a circle which passes through the points this, and this. Don't forget that I told you in my previous video, you can go and watch it, okay, on straight line. I told that anytime you hear points in mathematics, they are telling you the coordinates of x and y. So each of these are coordinates of x and y, okay? So we go this way, solution. Now, which means, first of all, we're going to write the standard equation of a circle, okay? That which says that x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c is equal to 0, okay? This is the standard equation of a circle, right? Now, from here, they gave us the first point. From the first point, which is 1, 2, it means that x is equal to 1. The first point, which is, let me say, point x, y, which they gave me as 1, 2. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 1. And anywhere I see y, I'll put 2. All right? So let's go. We're going to have here 1 squared plus 2 squared minus 2h into 1 minus 2k into 2 then plus c is equal to 0. So what do I have here? 1 plus 4, then minus 2h minus 4k, then plus c is equal to 0. So if I decide to move this plus this will give me 5 minus 2h minus 4k plus c is equal to 0, okay? Let me decide to move these people this side. Moving them this side, I'm going to have that 5 is equal to 2h plus 4k then minus c, okay? So let me write it very well to have 2h plus 4k then minus c is equal to 0. So it's equal to 5, okay? So let me call this equation 1. I have gotten my equation 1. Now, from equation 2, the same thing again. We have that x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c is equal to 0. Now, we now have the second point. The second point is they gave us 3, 1. Okay, they gave us the second point. The second point is x, y coordinate, which is what? 3, 1. So which means my x is 3 and my y is 1. So let us substitute again. I have 3 squared plus 1 squared minus 2h into 3 minus 2k into 1 then plus c is equal to 0. So what do we have here? This is 9 plus 1 then minus 6h then minus 2k plus c is equal to 0. So this and this is giving me 10 minus 6h minus 2k plus c equal to 0. So if I move these people to this side, I'm going to have 10 is equal to 6h plus 2k minus c. So if I write it, I'm going to have 6h plus 2k minus c is equal to what? 10. This is equation 2. Okay? So let us repeat the same thing to get equation 3. Now, we still know that to get equation 3, we still know that x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c is equal to 0. So the point they gave us now, is now point x, y is equal to, what did they give us? Minus 3, minus 1. So the point they gave us now is minus 3, minus 1. So if we substitute, I'm going to have minus 3 all squared plus minus 1 all squared minus 2h into minus 3 minus 2k into minus 1 plus c is equal to 0. So if I clear, this one is giving me 9 plus 1 plus 6h plus 2k plus c equal to 0. So if, okay, this and this will give me 10 plus 6h plus 2k plus c is equal to 0. So therefore, this one moving here, I'm going to have 6h plus 2k plus c is equal to what? Minus 10. Okay, so this is my equation 3. So I'm going to solve equation 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously to get my h, k, and c. Then you are done. So permit me to write it here. So solve solve equation 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously. Okay, solve them simultaneously. So my equation 1 gave me 2h plus 4k minus c is equal to 5, and then equation 2 gave me 6h plus 2k minus c is equal to 10. Okay, and then equation 3 gave me 6h plus 2k then plus c is equal to minus 10. Okay, so now in solving equation 1, 2, 3 simultaneously, what do we do? Let us use elimination method. Equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So if you want to use elimination method, we are going to use equation 1 and 2 to eliminate C, and then we'll now come back and use 1 and 3 to eliminate C again. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we have that 2h plus 4k minus c is equal to 5, and 6h plus 2k minus c again is equal to 10. So if I subtract, I'm going to have okay, let me write 2 from let me write 2 first, then before 1, because 2 is bigger. But anyways can give you the same answer. So let me say subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 gave me 6h plus 2k minus c is equal to 10. And equation 1 gave me 2h plus 4k then minus c again is equal to 5. So if I subtract, this and this is giving me 4h, this and this is giving me minus 2k, this and this is gone, is equal to what? 5. This is my equation 4. Okay, so I'm going to say subtract equation let us subtract equations 3 from equation 2 to get my equation 5. Then I'm done. Okay, so look at this. Let's say again, I've used equation 1 and 2, so I told you I'm going to use 1 and 3 now. So I will say subtract equation 3 from equation 1 from equation 3. So my equation 3 said 6h plus 2k plus c is equal to minus 10, then minus equation 1 said 2h plus 4k, okay, then minus c is equal to 5. So if we subtract, I'm going to have this and this is giving me 4h, right? This and this is giving me minus 2k, right? Okay, then this and this is gone. Sorry, this is minus, not plus. So this and this is gone, and then I'm having minus this to give me minus 15. Equation 5. Okay, so now let us solve equation 4 and 5 simultaneously. Is it possible to have, there is an error somewhere, because you cannot have that this is equal to 5 and then the same thing will give you minus 15. It's impossible. So let us check where the problem is. There is an error somewhere. But if you have a scientific calculator, you can use your scientific calculator to solve it. I'm looking for my calculator and it's not here. Okay, so let us check where the problem is. Okay, this is minus, not plus again. Okay, how did I get plus there? Oh, all these things are plus and not minus. Oh, okay, I was the one that made mistake. Sorry, this one was minus, this one was minus. Why this one was plus? Okay, so I've seen where the mistake is. So if that is the case, so that means let me write this. Sorry. So if that is the case, I'm going to have that this is 6h plus 2k then plus c is equal to what? Minus 10. Okay, and then I'm not subtracting now, I'm going to add, because their sign are not the same thing. I'm adding because this one is plus, why this one is minus. So I want to eliminate them. If I subtract, they will not eliminate, but if I add, they will eliminate. So I'm adding it. So I'm adding it to equation 2, so which is 2h plus 4k minus c is equal to 5. Equation 1 rather. So I'm adding. So this plus this will give me 8h, this plus this will give me 6k, and this is gone, is equal to this plus this will give me minus 5, equation 4. So let us now subtract equation, okay? So let us now solve equation 4 and 3 simultaneously. 4 and 5, rather, this is 5. Equation 4 and 5 simultaneously. Sorry about the error, okay? So solving 4 and 5 simultaneously, the same method of simultaneous equation you know, okay? So solve 4 and 5 simultaneously. Solve 4 and 5 simultaneously. So if you're writing an exam and then you are with your scientific calculator, you can easily punch your calculator and get the results of this. If not, this will actually take your time. So maybe this should be among the last questions you are going to solve, okay? So be mindful of that. So I'm going to have equation 4, we said 4h minus 2k is equal to 5, and 8h plus 6k is equal to minus 5. So for them to be equal, I'm going to multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 1, okay? So 2 times for this side to be equal so that they can eliminate. So this time this will give you 8h minus 4k is equal to 10. So here is giving me 8h plus 6k is equal to minus 5. So if I subtract this and this is gone, so this and this is giving me 10. So this is giving me minus 10 is equal to, here is giving me 15. Okay, so therefore my k will now be 15 divided by 10, which is what? 1.5. So my k is 1.5, and 1.5 is something as what? 3 over 2. Okay, so I've gotten my k. Now for me to get my h is to substitute either in equation 4 or you substitute in equation 5, anyone you like. So let us use this side. Okay, or we can even, okay, let us use this side. Okay, for me to get my h now, I know that 4h minus 2k is equal to 5. So I will say that 4h minus 2 into 3 over 2 is equal to what? 5. So to take care of, so I'm having that 4h minus 3 is equal to 5. So therefore 4h is equal to 5 plus 3. Therefore 4h is equal to 8, which shows that my h is what? My h is 2 automatically. Okay, so this shows that my h is equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So now how do you get your c that is remaining? We can substitute in either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. So let us substitute in equation 1. Let's use equation 1. So using equation 1, let us substitute. We have 2 into my h is 2 plus 4 into my k is 3 over 2, then minus c is equal to 5. Okay, so we are having that this is 4 plus, this time this will give you 2 times 3 is 6, then minus c is equal to 5. So this one can move here, this one come here. So this is 10 minus c is equal to 5. So therefore 10 minus 5 is equal to c. So 5 is equal to c, which means that c is equal to 5. Okay, so we have gotten that c is equal to 5, h is equal to 2, and then k is equal to 3 over 2. So the final answer now is to substitute them, because we are looking for the equation. So once you have gotten your h, comma k and c, you are done. So the equation of the circle, becomes, let's go, becomes the same formula again. S squared minus what? Sorry, s squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c is equal to 0. So let us now substitute our h, comma k, and then our c. So I'm having x squared, because it's an equation. Equation must have s and y. So s squared plus y squared minus 2 into my h is 2 minus 2 into 2x, okay, minus 2, my k is what? 3 over 2y, then plus 5 is equal to 0. So we are having s squared plus y squared minus 4x, then this take care of this, minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can rewind if I'm too fast, okay? Comment on the comment section. Tell us what you think about the solution. If it's too long for you, let us know. May the peace of the Lord be with you. If today is your first time watching us, please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.